morning, dear children. In previous class you all had learned about the multiplication of decimal numbers. Today in this class we will learn division of decimal numbers. Children, in this topic we will know about the division of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000 and division of decimal numbers by one digit number. So let us start with division by 10, 100 and 1000. Children, to divide decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000, you have to move left side according to the zero present in divisor or denominator. If 1 zero is present, then you have to move only one steps. If 2 zeros are present, then you have to move 2 steps to the left. And if 3 zeros are present, you have to move 3 steps to the left. This can be clear by these examples. First example is 3.4 divided by 10. In divisor only 1 zero is present, so this decimal will move only one step. Okay, so the answer will be 0.34. Okay, and this is a place of whole number, and this should not be vacant. You have to write here 0. So the final answer is 0.34. Hope you all have understood. Now let us see how can we divide the same number by 100. 3.4 divided by 100. How many zeros? Yes, 2 0. So this point will move one step and then 2 steps. Okay, children, you can see only one digit is present and second digit is absent. So make it 2 digit, you will write 0. Okay, and after that you will put point. So the answer will be 0.034, or you can write 0.034. Okay, now let us understand third example. Children, here 3.4 divided by 1000. Okay, here you can see 3 zeros are present. So decimal should move 3 steps to the left. Only one digit is present. So what you will do? You will put 2 zeros to make it 3. Now the answer will be 0.003, or you can say 0.003. Children, on the whole number, don't leave it vacant. You have to write here 0. Okay, now let us understand the same method by different example. Here you have to divide 24.8 by 10. How many steps it will? Decimal will move to the left one step. So from here it will go here. Answer will be 2.48. Right? If the same number is divided by 100, 24.8 divided by 100. How many steps you will move to the left? 2 steps. 1, 2. Decimal will be written here 0.248. This is the place of whole number, you will write here 0. So the answer will become 0.248. Now same number we are dividing by 1000. 24.8 divided by 1000. What do you see? There are 3 zeros. It means decimal will move 3 steps to the left. Decimal will go before third step. Okay. And third place is vacant. So what you will do? You will write 0. The answer will be 0.0248 or 0.0248. Children, hope this method you all have understood. Now let us know how can we divide decimal numbers by single digit number. Children, this is very simple division like ordinary division, but one thing that you have to keep consider that you always put decimal to the appropriate place. Now let us understand this by this example. 9.54 divided by 8. One time, one digit you will take at a time. Read table of 8. One time it will go. 9 minus 8 comes 1. Now the second step, copy down next digit. But you can see before that there is a point or decimal. So you will bring this point upside on the quotient place and write here. Okay. After that you will copy down. Read table. 8 ones are 8. 15 minus 8 7. Now copy down next digit. It becomes 74 now. Now how many times you can read table? 9 times this time. 8 9s are 72. Now when you subtract these two numbers, you will get only 2. Children, you will not leave it as a remainder, because once you have put decimal in the quotient, so you can write 0 here, as I have done here. 2 was the remainder, but I have written here 0. Now again read table. 8 2s are 16. 20 minus 16 comes 4. Now this time again you can write 0. Now read table again. 8 5s are 40. Now you can see remainder is 0 and the quotient is 1.1925. Now let us see second example. Here 28.76 is divided by 4. At a time you will take only one digit, but you are unable to read the table because this number is smaller than the divisor. So what you will do? You will put 0 on the quotient place and take 2 digits. Right? 4 7s are 28. Both numbers are cancelled. Now you have to copy down the next digit. But before that you can see there is a decimal. So you will bring this decimal on the quotient place. Okay. Now after that you will copy down next digit. Read table. 4 1s are 4. 7 minus 4 3. Copy down next digit. 36. 4 9s are 36 and the remainder is 0. So the quotient will be 7.19. Children, hope both methods are clear among you all. Watch your video carefully to understand the method and do the question that I have given today. Thank you and have a good day.